Configuring vital signs data management. Open the Venmo application. After the connection is complete, press the settings for configuring the vital signs data. Select Vital Signs chart. Press Record to record the patient's data. Click on the Line Chart tab to observe the patient's data in line chart form. If you want to delete the recorded data, select the wanted data in the checkbox, then press the Delete button. If you want to share the data, select the wanted data in the checkbox, then press the Share button. Press the email icon to send the data through email. In the iOS, it will automatically present the message window to send through email. Type in the email address to whom you want to send the message to. Type in the title and message and click Send. Press the back arrow to go back to the main screen. Configuring the alarm setting. After the connection is complete, press the setting to configure the alarm setting. Select On/Off to turn on or off the alarm. For heart and respiratory rate, you can set the wanted parameters. When the set alarm parameters are out of range, the alarm will go off. You can also select the default button to set the default setting for canine or feline. After configuration, press OK.